of you know that Grok has been misbehaving for days now. A lot of people are hitting limits even with just one video, two videos, and they will tell you you've reached your video limit despite being subscribed to Super Grok. So, and people are looking for alternatives that they can use in place of Grok. So in this video, I'm going to teach you one of the apps that I use to create or generate videos, AI videos. Okay, so mind you, this app is not completely free. They have their own limits. However, the way we navigate this is you change your email, you switch to another email. Once the other email, you reach the limit on the other email. So this this app is called Qwen Chat. So this is Qwen Chat. Let me show you. Go to your Apple Store if you've not downloaded it and download it. Where is Qwen Chat? Okay, this is it, Qwen Studio. Okay, it's written Qwen Studio, so I'll click on it. This is how the interface looks like. Okay, so here are some models, but you can leave it at this 3.6 plus. You click these three dashes up here, you're going to see all the conversation, all the results, all the works that I've done before now. So look at them here. All right, so let's go back. So now if you want to generate a video here, you click on this search bar down here. Once it's up like this, click on this plus sign. Okay, don't upload file, don't upload video. You're first of all going to come here, click on create video. Okay, once you click on create video, the next thing you're going to do is look at this aspect ratio. If it's not in the right aspect ratio that you want, you change it. This is 16:9, which is YouTube short long video format, but I want 9:16, which is YouTube short and TikTok. So I'll click it. Then next thing you're going to do is to click on this plus sign again. This time around, either you click on upload file or you click on all photos, so that it will open you up to your gallery. So I'll click on all photos. Then you're going to choose the image you want to animate. So let's say I want to use this image. Click on done. Remember, this Qwen Chat uses what's it called? It generates just 5 seconds video. So you have to make sure that whatever they are going to say is not too lengthy, so that it will be able to finish it within this 5 seconds. So just the way you prompt in your Grok, that is the same way you are going to prompt. So I'm going to prompt this right now. The man says, okay, let me put calmly. I like putting calmly so it doesn't rush. Amara, please forgive me. I'm sorry for my wrongs. The lady says calmly, Tunde, you broke my heart in pieces. So now let me swap let the lady talk first. You broke my heart in pieces. The man now says, Amara, please forgive me. I'm sorry for my wrongs. So I want them to speak in Nigerian accents. Let them speak in Nigerian accents, and each person should be quiet when the other person is talking. I like doing this so that they will not be talking at the same time. You know, this is AI. You have to be clear with your instructions. So I'll send my instructions and wait for it to generate. Just like for this one, it's not as fast as Grok. The generation is very slow. It can take up to a minute or 2 minutes before it generates. But the good thing about this is that you can minimize. So I'm going to minimize and be doing other things. Once it's done generating, or once in a while, I can just come back. It's not like Grok that will notify you when the generation is done. So you have to be the one to be checking. And when you come and you find out that here is clear, there's nothing showing here, because sometimes you will come back if you have stayed outside the app for a very long time. If you come back, you're going to see that here there's nothing showing here, and you'll be scared. You'll be like, what I generated has disappeared. All you need to do is just come to these 3 dashes up here. You're going to see your results here. So let me go offline now of the app. After some time, I'll come back to see our results. So now let's go and check our video and see if it has generated. So let me play it. So like I said, it's very slow compared to Grok.
You broke my heart. You broke my heart in pieces.
Amara, please forgive me. I'm sorry for my wrongs.
You broke my heart in pieces.
Amara, please forgive me. I'm sorry for my wrongs.
You broke my heart in pieces.
Amara, please forgive me. I'm sorry for my wrongs.
So you see, very good, very, very good. Just giving Grok vibe. And you can generate up to 6 to 7 videos. Sometimes I generate up to 8 or 10 in this email. Okay, so if you want to download it, click on this arrow down here. See this arrow? So it's showing file downloading. Okay. So file has downloaded. Okay, still downloading. See it here showing that it's still downloading here. So now it has downloaded. File downloaded successfully. So I can now exit and import and do the same thing again if I want to animate another one. Okay, so as you can see, it's now in 1:1 aspect ratio. If I want to do it, I'll change the aspect ratio. Always make it to rhyme with the aspect ratio that you want. It's very, very important. So now if this let me go to these 3 dashes. Look at the account that is here. If I've exhausted my limits for this account, I can just click on log out, and then I'll log in with another Gmail. Right, so that is how you're going to do it until you're done generating all your videos without stress. Right, so thank you. Try it out and give me your feedback. Thank you.